how-tos with Holly. Today we're doing the chicken dance, a line dance how-to, specifically for Dance Like a Chicken Day, May 14th. So come along with us and check out the chicken dance. Remember to like and subscribe to our line and check out all our fun videos at www.adventuresindance.com. Step 1. Our little chicken moves. They look like this. When I put that together, it's snap your beaks like this, flap your wings like that, shake a tail feather here, 4 flaps, let's go. Step 2, our polka steps. We did these 3 ways. The first way we did our polka steps was polka-ing. It looked like this. The second way we did it was a do-si-do, and it looked like that. The third way we did it was to do polka steps in place and turning right and left. It will look like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 to the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. In place and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. To the left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3. When you put it all together, it looks like this. All of them. Did you know Dance Like a Chicken Day is May 14th? This happy celebration is in honor of the chicken dance. So come shake your tail feathers with the chicken dance line dance how-to. The chicken dance was written in Sweden in the 1950s by Werner Thomas. He was inspired by how Swedish skiers look like ducks flying down the slopes. He named it Der Entertainments, or the duck dance. While playing his duck dance at local resorts, Werner developed bird movements to go with his polka. From there, it traveled to America. In the 1970s, the duck dance was re-instrumented, adding a synthesized bird sound, and renamed the chip chip. The little bird dance started to grow in popularity and was featured in Oktoberfests in Tulsa, Oklahoma in 1981. A duck costume was not available, but a chicken costume was found at a TV station, and they taught the original movements to the little bird polka. As they say, the rest is history. In 1994, publisher Stanley Mills was contacted to add the chicken dance to a party album, and from there it has been called the chicken dance ever since. Everybody has some memory of dancing the chicken dance at an Oktoberfest or wedding. In 2002, two Denver DJs decided to create Dance Like a Chicken Day and celebrate it in May. They did this to encourage people to loosen up, get silly, and release stress dancing the chicken dance. It is now celebrated on the 14th of May annually. Have fun learning this great little chicken dance, and remember to like and subscribe to our line below.